What do you like doing in your free time? I'm glad you asked me that because I've got a whole range of hobbies that I'm really into. The main thing I'll typically do is get out my paints and do a painting. I'll sketch something on a piece of paper first and then maybe make a painting if I've got spare time. Besides that, I'm really into watching movies. Netflix is my favorite, so I might just veg out, sit on the couch, catch a movie. If I've got more time than that, then I might call up a friend to see if they want to hang out. I'm really active. I really like going out. I hate to stay at home. It's the worst. So whenever I've got a bit of spare time, I'll call up a friend, see if they want to chill, and I'll go out with them. I might go to a coffee shop, or I love playing sports. I'll play football with them. Maybe I'll catch a movie, or just go for a walk and see what's going on in my neighborhood. I'm a bit of a homebody. I always stay home. I really like reading, and recently I've kind of gotten into audiobooks. I downloaded an app called Audible, which is from Amazon, and I can just spend a whole day lying back, listening to an audiobook and enjoying that. I'm super into cooking. So when I've got some time, I like to cook, and I'll typically make something that'll last me for a few days. So it won't just last me one day. I can cook it. Maybe I'll cook some rice and chop up some veggies, put it in there, maybe a little bit of meat, but I'm not a big meat eater. And I'll cook a big pot of it so that I can put it in some Tupperware and keep it in my fridge or my freezer, store it for even longer so I can eat it for a while. I'm really sociable. I like to go out with my friends. I'll go out to a coffee shop nearby where I live because coffee shops are kind of like the big thing right now, or a milk tea shop that's really popular in the country where I'm living. And I like to gossip with them. I like to ask them about what's been going on in their lives, their family, their friends, and kind of catch up about that sort of thing. I'll give them an update on my life, but I'm only going to tell them the good things. I never tell them what's wrong with my life. I'm really big into computer games. I didn't used to be when I was a kid. It's kind of a newer hobby for me, but I've taken them up in the last few years. So when I've got spare time, I play on my computer. I've also got an Xbox and a PlayStation. So I'll settle down on the couch and I can easily just spend the whole day playing computer games and looking up information about new games that are going to come out, watching previews for new games, talking to friends about games. I'm obsessed with games. I'll play them on my phone if I'm in the elevator or waiting for something. I like mobile apps. I'm all about games in my spare time. To be honest with you, I don't really have that much spare time because I'm so busy with work. But if I do get a bit of time for myself, I like to hang out with my girlfriend. Because I'm busy all the time, she gets a bit fed up with me that we don't get that many chances to catch up, and I don't give her as much attention as I should. But that's something that I'm working on. I try to make more time, try to compartmentalize my life a little bit so that I've got more time to spend with my girlfriend, and in turn, she's got more time to spend with me. I've got a few pets and I like taking them out. I've got a dog, I'll take him for a walk. I've also got a cat. You can't really take a cat for a walk, but you can just lie on the couch and pet them, and that's quite good for your health, I've heard, your mental health, as well as it can bring down your blood pressure. I've also got a couple of fish, so I'll feed the fish, and every once in a while I have to clean out their tank, which is a whole ordeal to get through. But since I love my fish, I'm willing to do anything for them.